Well, I have COVID. I was wondering why my sinus has been acting funny yesterday. My daughter says she's been sick all week. And yep, I have COVID. I lost my voice waking up. I can't talk much, but this does feel good. Let's continue my therapy. So I'm going to watch Veronica's videos, etc. If people are jealous or upset with me watching Veronica's videos, shame on them. Maybe they need to work on themselves. Because it makes me feel good. It makes me fit and feel good. Feel better. I have a goal. I mean, shame on them. Shame on them. I am not going to stop watching because someone's jealous of me. They're jealous of me working out their videos. So, that's that. I don't care. Alright, we'll go with the sirloin. For energy. Oh, that's my stomach. I haven't eaten yet. Since my daughter's sick and she's like, oh, Esmeralda, come get me some hot soup. I know. But sometimes she doesn't come on Tuesdays, so. Anyway, here's my sirloin. Sometimes she doesn't come. Water with colloidal silver in it, which I already purchased. Oh, lemon water. Good. Yeah, it's way in my throat. My throat's all infected and it's way all in my lungs. Just lots of infected mucus. So I've had COVID before, so I know what it is. Okay, so let's just start with the Rockstar. All right. All right. It keeps smiling until I don't smile. Am I sick? It's COVID. Oh my goodness, let's just drink while I can. Because I know the throat will get worse and then I won't be able to eat or drink, but I'm gonna go push through. Whew. I remember I would get sweating hot. Sweating hot when I have a cold, but I'll be sweating hot. And I remember Tylenol, alternate with Tylenol and ibuprofen. I have everything right here next to me and by my bed and on the chair. Let me take it. Okay. I'm grateful I can swallow that because right in here it really hurts. Okay, next. Ready? All right. What happened the last time I had COVID? It was a couple of years ago. My blood pressure went really high. I'm gonna take my pill. I just know. Don't go in denial. Just start treating it. And don't be afraid of it. Just start treating it. Herbal calcium. All right. Let's go. Let's see if I went. I didn't want to record that. It was terrible. It was so loud. I'll save those for a belly video. What do we do with COVID? Change out the jewelry. I'll pick a different earrings later today. It'll be... Oh, all right. A little bit of my stomach snuck in there. Sorry about that. All right, Next up. Alright, this helped yesterday, so we're going to continue it. Remember I could breathe yesterday? I did it. And then within a few minutes, I could breathe. Wow, that would be great. I did this one. It's almost out. It's okay. I have another one somewhere. I have more nasal stuff. And more decongestant. Don't worry. I have it. I was just trying to... I'll watch Justin Mellow's singing. That always cheers me up. And I'll just make like videos. Just normal. Just how I normally do. And I rest when I want to rest. You know how I am. Okay, let's center pro. Let's go. It's getting in my nose there.